St. John's College, Nagambo. Notice: workshop and seminar on job vacancies. All grade 10 students are invited to attend an important workshop and seminar on job vacancies, organized by St. John's College, Nagambo. This event aims to guide students on career planning and introduce them to job opportunities in various fields. Event details. Date: November 15th, 2026. Time: 9 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. Venue: School Main Auditorium, St. John's College, Nagambo. Resource persons: Mr. Saman J. Singha, Career Counselor; Mrs. Renuka Pereira, HR Specialist. Event Coordinator: Mr. Rawan Fernando, Career Guidance Teacher. Important instructions: students must register with the Career Guidance Unit by November 10th, 2026. Bring a notebook and pen for taking notes. Formal school uniform is required. Attendance certificates will be given to all participants. Parents are welcome to attend the seminar. For further details, contact Mrs. Kamari Jayawardena at the school office. Prepare for your future today.